previous videos are getting quite boring, so what I have decided is to do something like this. Program, I'll explain every section of the instruction, the program, which is already, now I'm not going to waste time on writing all those programs. So let's begin without any delay. Let's begin. In this first section, what we have to do is we have a table, first table whose address is, starting address is 9350, and a second table whose address is 954540. It has 10 data. We need to transfer a data from table 1 to table 2. If we need to swap, the condition for transferring is that we need to swap these data d6 and d2 if the number is greater than 90, else we need to transfer by adding 48. Else we have to transfer by 48. For this condition, the program is written over here. So let's go through every instruction set in a program. So for a source cycle, for a source table, we have initialized for HL pair. Similarly for destination, we have initialized for the destination cycle, DE pair for destination. Your C is initialized as a counter variable, and for different, there are 10 different data. So there are 10 different data, so we have to loop through for each section, for each data. So what we do is we copy the data from represented by memory, that is represented by HL pair to AL, accumulator, and and we compare with 91. We compare it with 91 as given in the condition for transferring. If that condition, if we have no 0, we need to swap the number. Now if that is a condition, we need to swap a number. So there are different cases arising in swap. If both the numbers in d6 and d1 are same, that is, they may be either 1 or they may be either 2, so we don't need to swap it, right? So if we have the number 44, that is 0100, then we don't need to swap it. So we don't need to swap it. We just move to the next instruction where we copy the content of accumulator to the destination table, and we'll increase the D for another table, destination table and source table. We decrease the counter variable and loop through a cycle for a next data. So if we don't have that, if both d6 and d2 are not the same in this case, then what we do, we do logically OR with 44, that is 0100. We do logical OR, so that swap the numbers, right? So we have a similar program. We have a similar program to swap a number, to swap d6 and d2 starting at 8090. We may have any number of data. According to question, we have 200 bytes of data. That means using loop is not good at this condition. Using counter variable is not good at this condition. We'll initialize the first table 8090. So similarly, if we have 44, that is 010. For this section, this is 44. If we have 11, or we have we have no changes, so we need to write a code for no changes condition also. Else we need to swap. What we do, we perform a logical OR with 44, and we move the content back to memory. And for no change condition, we'll increase the we'll increase the value of h to fetch the next data from a table. We'll decrease the counter variable c, and we will jump to repeat, and we'll end the program. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.